Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to turn off active status on Instagram. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Instagram app and click on your profile icon. Then tap on three line option. Okay, scroll down, click on this option and tap on show activity status. Just click this option, turn off active status on Instagram. Okay, then on, then off. That's all to turn off active status on Instagram. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.